Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great week, folks. Pretty amazing. August 6th. Man, time just flies. Love is kind and just. When you're in love, a smile is always on your face. You feel good about yourself, and because you're happy, you are kind. Love is also just. When you make a mistake, you'll pay only once for that mistake. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 39, NASDAQ up 47, S&P's up 10. If we go take a look at the volume out here, what you're going to see inside the NYSE, folks, you had 674 million, which isn't bad, because the bottom line is that they put 300 million in at the close right now. If we go take a look at the Dow, what you're going to see, the Dow Industrials, we have the all-time high, 25,800. Is that going to be right? One second. Oh, let me just make sure I get this. I think it's January. No, 26,616. So your all-time high is January, the week of January 26th. We do have a swing point from 3 weeks ago at 25,587, which is 85 points above where we are. We got another swing point up there at 800. Bottom line, I suspect, number one, it looks like the 87 can be tested, meaning 25,587. We go into the NASDAQ composite. Now, different animal here on the composite. Composite out here today did 2.2 billion shares. We are right next to the high. So the composite wants to test this baby. The high in the composite was generated out here on the 25th of July. 79.33. Right now, you're at 78.59. The composite did come in with 2.2 billion, which is not bad. Now, your downdraft, which was definitely larger. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. On the 27th, we came down with 2.1. So the bottom line is that this thing wants to go for the highs. That 79.33. That being said, NDX 100, which bottom line, right up at highs also. This volume is dying on the vine in a big way. What we had done last Thursday, we did get strength. You went topside with 47 million. You're still going into 59, but bottom line, not bad. We contracted on Friday to 28 million. We contracted today to 23 million. So what I expect we're going to see out here is that, number one, yes, we're going to test it, but I expect that's all you're going to see out of this is a test. And this is going to be deviant. And the reason I'm saying that is that if we take a look at this, and I'll pull this back a little. We'll just put this on like a year chart. Actually, I'll put it on a 2-year weekly. And what you're going to see is that this, and this is a classic, how the NASDAQ in general, whoops, wrong one. Take that. There we go. The NASDAQ in general, there she is. If we take this, what you're going to see is that when we basically broke, when we broke downtown on February 9th, that broke the uptrend that started going all the way back July of 2017 at 138 bucks. We broke it with conviction. We jump above it. We get back below it again. Now we're coming up to it again. Now, this number would have to hit the 185 number to actually get into that trend again, which is going to be pretty intense. So what that is that when you're breaking a huge trend line, it broke down in February, wide price spread, accelerated volume. Rejected the low. Goes topside. As it goes topside, going into the top of that the trend line, gave it up, came back down, jumped over it for 2 days, came back down again. It's coming back up to that level. That level is going to be a big number to keep your eye on. We take a look at the IWM, the small caps out here. Actually, let's go to the Russell 2000. We'll actually pull up the actual indice. We take a look at the Russell 2000. The high out here in the Russell generated out here 1708. We're at 1683 right now. You're slamming right into this downdraft from the beginning of last week. If we take a look at the IWM, you're going to see how this baby is set up. And we went up today with 15 0.9 million shares, you're coming into 28 million. So 168.72 is the number that you want to keep your eye on out here. Some of the higher volume equities in this lower volume S&P go like this. We had Advanced Micro up 94 cents. Facebook was up 7.91. Facebook came out saying they're talking with some banks about using their messenger service. I can't picture it, but bottom line, that was the statement out here. General Electric is down 4 cents, trading at $13.10. We had Apple up another $1. That's a $1 trillion company right now. That hit on Friday. You get Sirius Satellite, that's up 2 cents, trading $6.89. Microsoft was up 9 cents. You get Snap up 32. T-Mobile really got some good juice going. T-Mobile was up 4.75. This thing is an animal, like intraday. This just started out slow and just kept going higher and higher and higher. So let's see what they're having to say here. So I see. This is what's going on. It's okay. So T-Mobile, it looks like that the Department of Justice may, bottom line, say they're going to be good to go. The Department of Justice has expressed the need for more competitors in the 5G market, boosting T-Mobile's chances of getting the okay from regulators to buy Sprint, according to Reuters. The combined carrier would have significant scale to compete effectively against Marvell, as well as Verizon in the 5G market. So you did have that news come out intraday today. This is quite a run, though. T-Mobile opened at $61.59 and just went topside. So if we take a look at this, let's put this back a little. Oh yeah, man, this is going after its high. So T-Mobile high $69.88. Let's see what this does in revenue. So they're doing 10.7 a quarter. Let's say 43. Let me see Sprint. 10 million a quarter. We take a look at Sprint. Sprint's trading $6.18. That had a big, and they're doing 8 million a quarter. So it'd be 18 billion a quarter they'd be doing. And Sprint had the same get-go. So Sprint also went right along with T-Mobile. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We had the Dow finish up 39. NASDAQ up 47. S&P's up 10. Come right back.